Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the shorter end of the curve today and the two-year note futures as they're experiencing some higher price action. Two-year note futures recovering nicely from some selling pressure yesterday to trade back up towards the top end of the recent range, which also corresponds to the top end of the range for the last couple of weeks. Currently priced at 103.12, which is basically the highs of the session. As the markets are reacting to the Fed message today, Fed Chairman Powell's speech at Jackson Hole, highly anticipated, and with basically made it very clear that rates are moving lower as we move through this cycle and particularly into the fall. And now the question is it going to be 25 or 50 basis points in September? That question is still unanswered, but Chairman Powell made it very clear that they are in a position to start cutting rates in September. And that's why I think we're seeing the price action moving higher pretty much across the entire yield curve. As far as when you look at the price action in the treasury markets, now looking at that two-year yield, it is down 10 basis points today to 391 basis points, so back below that 4% level and pushing down towards the lower end of the recent range as far as yields. And the inversion has narrowed again today. We're looking at the 2-year, 10-year inversion now at 10 basis points, so it continues to move closer to being out of inversion as we're seeing about a 10 basis point shift here over the last couple of sessions. So therefore the back end of the curve is moving higher, but not as much as the front end of the curve. And therefore we're seeing the 10-year yield down about 5 basis points with the 2-year yield down about 10 basis points in today's price action.